If you ever need to move money from one Exness account to another, this is the fastest way to do it. I personally use this method to fund my live trading account that is running by bots, and I will show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Exness dashboard, whether you are running it on the app or a web browser. So you just have to get your Exness dashboard opened, and you come over to the area where you have your account balance. When you hover over there, you see this area, you click on transfer. So when you click on transfer, it's going to open this area of the dashboard, and here you can see transfer within your accounts or transfer to another user. The second one, to another user, transferring from your own Exness account to another user's account, and this is what we are looking for. So when we click there, we are moved over to this area, and the first option you have there is to select the accounts you want to transfer from. Now the second area where there is a blank space is where you can fill in, this is where you can fill in the recipient's account details. That's the login details of the Exness account of the other person you're transferring to. So we are going to put in the account number right now. So the second box is where you can put the email address of the person's account. So the email address associated with the account number we just put in right now, the email address that is associated with that account. So here we have an option to select the reason for the transfer. So we are going to select as a gift. The next box is to add in the amount you want to transfer to that person. So after we have put in the number we're using, $49. So after we have put in the amount, you can just click on continue and continue. Now over here you have to verify with your phone number. They are going to send you a one-time password, and you are going to verify with your phone number. They're going to send you a one-time password to your phone number, then you verify it by inputting the number they sent to you over here in these boxes. So when you enter the code, you press on continue. Here we are saying here that your transaction is processing, and you can see your history. You can check the history of your account to see that they have deducted the money, or the money has been transferred to that person. So that's how you can transfer inside Exness from one Exness account to another Exness account. If you are using Exness and you want consistent results without manual stress, check the link below and you will thank yourself later. Try out my trading robot. Click the link in the description. There it will direct you to the Telegram. When you join the Telegram group, you will receive instructions on what to do next to get the robots, to activate the robots on your account and get started. If you don't subscribe, this is probably the last time you're going to see videos from me, so I urge you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop useful, valuable videos like this.